Major Arcana, the Chariot, a brave warrior standing inside a chariot. It represents taking action and moving forward. He wears metal armor decorated with moon. It represents trust your instincts in your best defense. Tunic with a square, it is symbol of strength of will or spiritual transformation. The laurel and star crown represent victory and success. The chariot holds no reins. He holds just a wand or a scepter. It represents he controls through the strength of his will and mind. On above his head, he is covered by veil with stars. It represents his connection to the heavenly world, or he is seeing a big picture. In front of chariot, two phoenix are sitting, black and white. Uh, Face is opposite direction, so it represents two possible future. Phoenix are creature of riddle and mysteries, so it represents the unknown. So the man in chariot taking risk and letting this phoenix lead him. So both of phoenix holds their tails. It represent accessing wisdom. Behind you give you courage to face unknown future. Large castle in the background represent leaving your comfort zone. A large moat surrounds the castle and being crossed. It represents avoid emotional decisions making, which favors comfort over self improvement. On the chariot, there are wings, which represent freedom of spirit or spiritual guidance, ability to move forward with purpose and direction. Red symbol on chariot called Yonilingam, eternal process of creation and regeneration. The chariot is double crowned. It represents he made decision to have courage direct his path. Um, Behind the chariot flows a wide river, symbolic the need to be in flow with life while also charging ahead towards your goal. So overall card encourages us to face challenges head on and move forward with determination.